guys, so I just wanted to sit down and talk because I feel like I need to. Yeah. I don't know what's been going on with me lately, but I've been like being like really like down to myself. Like the way that I'm talking to myself, I don't know. Okay, this sounds like crazy, but I've just been like, I don't know. Like I've been talking to myself like you're not good enough, like nobody cares, nobody likes you. Like I've just been like talking really down to myself lately in my head. And I want to say it out loud so that I stop. And then I'm like, I was thinking about it this morning and I was like, you know what, I should talk about it, or like talk about it with someone or something. And then the other side of me was like, no, because what you're saying is right. Like no one gives a heck. So that's where I've been at. I can't really explain to you why. I don't know exactly what's going on. I've been, I don't know. I'm like all out of sorts because the boys are both in school. School has started back up. Their schedules are weird, but I just don't know what to do with my free time, and it's so hard. And like, I don't even know. I mean, I'm sure everyone can understand, but like, I'm like, okay, I just don't even know. Like, any of my free time needs to be like doing stuff, picking up the house, and like having 3 kids is like, you know, we haven't had like a cleaning person in months, and which we used to have once a week, which was just like super helpful. We're gonna look into getting somebody again, but as of right now we just don't. And whenever I have a day without the boys, I still have an 11-month-old baby, my sweet little princess Chunkamunka. And I mean, she's wonderful, but it's like, I just don't know where my priorities are. Like, I know where my priorities are. I don't know like how to space my time out so that like I'm productive, but like in all aspects of the things that I need to get done. It's like, so it's just like too much some days, and then I'm so overwhelmed that I just like don't even know what to do because I'm so overwhelmed. I just filmed a video. It was just a quick video on some baby stuff that I've been wanting to film for a while, so I finally got around to that. This little nugget took a long nap. She had lunch. She just had her bubby. Is it my love muffin? So I need to get her dressed. We're working with a company for her, which is really exciting. My little model. Little model. So I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know how to speak. But I will tell you about this adorable new Sailor sweatshirt. I can't even tell you how fuzzy, soft, and like stretchy and amazing this sweatshirt is. I'll link it. Obsessed. It just came in the other day. I got my hair done yesterday. I put on fake eyelashes today just because I like felt like it. Girlfriend, you need to chill. I ordered her christening gown today. We're finally having her christening. It was supposed to be in March. It was like, it literally was, I don't know what day it was. It was right in the middle of March, like no, it was at the end of March. Anyways, right as Corona. So we were gonna reschedule, and then we had to make sure everyone was here, whatever. So that's happening. Her first birthday's happening. I ordered her Christmas dress. I'm looking to order the boys cute Halloween jammies. I found her a cute pair, obviously, because the girl stuff's adorable, but the boy stuff, like, what the heck is up with people and boy stuff? And if you can see our bats in the background. So I feel better that I just said that out loud, and I'm not looking for anyone to be like, oh my god, I love you. Like, it's fine. What was that? It's like windy out. Like, where are we? Like, it's fine. I just like what's happening? Like, why am I like being mean to myself? I don't know what is going on. Do you know what's going on, my little princess? Oh. So I guess I should get up and like probably pick my house up. I did a 45-minute Peloton workout today. I had my Century ride the other day. I do get a lot of questions about my Peloton. I don't know if there's ever, like, if you have any, like, I would never do like a whole video on it. I don't think there's enough questions about that. But if you ever want me to like talk more about my Peloton, I will. A lot of people seem really interested. I literally sell it to like everyone I talk to about it. But if you have any questions, just comment them and I'll talk about them in my next vlog. Or I don't know, or maybe nobody cares, but I get DMs all the time about it because I do try to work out like 4 to 7 times a week, 4 to 6, depends on the week, but it's completely changed my life. So anyways, I had my Century ride, which is my 100th ride on the Peloton, and I did a live workout with Kendall, but I didn't get a shout out, but it's fine. It was really fun, and that was the other day. I need to pick my kitchen up, and I need to fold my laundry, and the list goes on and on. Why am I like hearing noises? Like, am I tripping right now? I guess so. It's like gross out today, but it's cool, and I'm just like here for sweater weather. Like, I'm here for it, here for it. I don't know how any of you in the south of the United States can, like, how can you not have sweater weather? Like, it's the best. All right, I'm gonna go get stuff done. I feel better that I kind of just like vented that out, even though like I don't even know. But I haven't been in that mood in a long time, and that's what was like scaring me, is that probably 2 years ago, yeah, 2 years ago in October was like a really, really, really mentally inside my head, like not a good place. I was depressed and like not okay, and I've taken a lot of steps to get where I am today, to like be, do you hear her? To be like happy with who I am and like to really love myself. And the way that I'm just like, you're like stupid, and like, I don't know. I'm like being mean to myself in my own head and like talking shit to myself, and it's not cool. So do I sound like crazy? Like, I don't have people talking in my head. I'm just like thinking to myself, like, I'm like, nobody cares. Like, you're stupid. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, not nobody cares, but like nobody likes you. Like, nobody cares about you. Like, crazy things. I'm fine, I promise. Like, I promise I'm fine. But I hope you understand what I'm like trying to say. Why is there 2 flies? Like, are you mating? Get out of my house. Will you wave hi? Oh my god, she just hits me in the face. No, look it. You see? Say hi. Wow, did you say hi? Okay. All right, so boys are off to school. Mike does the he does the morning drop off and brings Michael to the bus, and then I do pick up at the end of the day, obviously. I'm about to go work out, so I have my workout gear on, but I just wanted to share, because I didn't share my Amazon favorites, our Halloween decoration. So we got the bats from Amazon. I'll link them down below. And then most of these decorations I got from Christmas Tree Shop. And Ben broke my candle. This mirror is from Home Goods. The 2 little planters are from Home Goods. The little green leaves are from Target. And then the candlesticks and the candles are from Home Goods, and the rest of the stuff's from Christmas Tree Shop. So I thought it just looks cute. It's kind of, I don't know. We have more stuff in our basement. I just haven't brought up the second box, but I'm pretty sure I have like a garland. So I don't know. I just threw that stuff there. I thought it looked cute. And then over here above our play area, we did the bats coming out of the corner, and then they go, I had the kids help me do it, so it doesn't look perfect, but it's cute. Oh my gosh. So Olivia has been napping at like 8:15 every morning. She used to nap at 9, but she's been getting up at like 5:30, and she used to sleep, or like 5:30, and she used to get up at like 6, because she'd get up and then I'd nurse her back to sleep, and we'd just lay in bed for another like hour and a half. But she's getting up really early, so it's kind of messing up my schedule because now she's napping at 1 instead of 2, and like, so anyways, I'm gonna go do my workout. Like I said, I think my next vlog I'm gonna go over and do, I'll go over my Peloton, and because I know a lot of people have a Peloton, so I can just go over like who I like and stuff, or if you don't have a Peloton and just want to know anything, let me know. Okay, so like, hello. I literally just filmed my Amazon favorites, but my BOXY charm has been here and I've been waiting to flipping open it on camera because I love watching what people get in their monthly boxes, so I thought you would too. What are you doing, baby? Oh, sissy princess. What is my baby girl doing? Olivia took her first steps the other day. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I will throw in a little video of it right here. Stand like a big girl. Come here, look at mama. You're gonna look at mama? Come here. Yeah! You gonna help me open this? All right, so first on top, we have a satin cream lipstick that I hope I like the color of because, oh my God, look at this packaging. How amazing is that? Wait, what do I do though? Oh my God, what's happening? Where is it? Hello? Baby, how do, oh my God, I pushed down and it popped out on the bottom. Get out of here. How flipping to die. Don't mind my self-tan hands. Hello, can you see? Look at that. Are you kidding me?
What's that from?
My BOXY charm.
What's a BOXY charm? No.
All right, next up we have gold foil mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil, a 3-piece mask. So you have a face mask, eye mask, and a lip mask, all in that, which, like, okay, I guess I'll use that. Calm, hydrate, tighten, glow, gold foil mask. I just don't understand why there's cannabis in a mask. Like, is that necessary?
Oh yeah.
I'm almost done. All right, and then we have Levito, and I got their face moisturizer a couple months ago. I've used the whole entire thing. I love their, that brand, and I went on, I don't know where I was. I think I just typed in Google because I literally want to get another bottle of it. I loved it. Oh, they probably sell it on the BOXY Charm website. What am I talking about? Isn't that like a thing? Can't you go on there and buy what they put in the boxes? Like, can we just not give me a hard time today? I'm not in the mood at all. And like, these little stupid sticky things need to mind their business. Okay, let's smell this. Oh, it's thick, sheet thick. Oh, it smells like an old lady again, which it's like fine if it works good. It like really smells like, it smells like powder, like an old woman powder. Does that make sense? Okay, then next we have Spanglish by Olimar. All right, this is like ridiculous. I'm like annoyed. Like, I'm annoyed. This is like taped on so tight. I have no scissors near me. All I have is my acrylic nails. I'm not trying to break a nail opening this Spanglish palette. And I just put the flippin' hand cream on, so that was stupid of me. All right, here we go. For the love of God. Okay, like literally. And like, I'm sorry, BOXY Charm, but like I just did that for that. Like, what is that? Okay. Oh my God, Olivia, you're gonna knock my tripod over. And then lastly, we have the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intense Exfoliating Treatment, which I'm here for this. Here for this. Is it like a, but what do I do? AM or PM, use once or twice a week, apply a thin, even layer, and then wet face, massaging in a circular motion for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm like here for that. So, like, I don't know, this red lipstick is literally everything. Like, I just don't even want to use it, and I just want to like have it open on like my shelf because it's so pretty. But I guess that's that. I don't really know how I feel. Like, I'm just like, okay. Okay, so that is that. This video is gonna be up before my Amazon my Amazon favorites. So I just filmed that, and talking about what I was talking about earlier, excuse me. I feel a lot better. I was like having a couple days. I must be like, so for me, I don't know if any girls can relate, but like when I'm PMSing, it's like the week before I actually get my period. Is that normal? Or like even a week and a half before, I don't know. And then I'm like fine. When I have my period, I'm like fine, but it's before. So I think that I was getting like crazy weird hormones. I had a couple of people ask if we are done breastfeeding. We're not. She ain't done. She only nurses for literally an hour in the morning, like off and on. She'll just nurse. And she has bottles the rest of the day, and food, and crazy hair. So yeah, so I'm feeling a lot better. Ben's in school today, trying to get stuff done while I can. Michael is home. We're doing, it's not online learning yet. They still haven't figured it out. I don't really understand what's going on. So Wednesdays he does at-home learning. So we have a bunch of packets. We just finished half of it. We have to go get scissors because I don't know where my goddamn scissors are. Mike, honey, where are they? Answer me. But this is crazy. Like, we have one pair of scissors in our entire house. Like, we need a backup. I'm sorry. Or even two. Like, I'm gonna get two pairs of scissors. For, like, instance, when I was opening that eyeshadow palette, I could have used a pair of scissors, and I couldn't find a pair. So, I guess we'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you like these vlogs. I'm sorry that they're just, like, so, like, meh. If there's anything you want to see in vlogs, like food, kids, like, I don't know. I'm at a loss. So let me know if you care. If you don't, then just like whatever. But I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.